Hello everyone, we are going to continue our talk about the slope of the line, and as we said before, the slope can tell us 4 properties about the line. We have finished the first 3 points. To watch these videos, please see the link in the description below. Today we are going to talk about the last point, which is the steepness of the line. To understand what we meant by the steepness of the line, let's start by drawing down the two linear equations y equals 0.5x, which is represented in the red line, and y equal 2x, which is represented in the green line. Now the steepness of the line can represent how much is the angle between the line and x-axis. And it's clear that as the slope increases, the angle between the line and the x-axis increase, and the steepness of the line also increase. Let's take an example. If we have a race between two cars, where the red car represents the red line and the green car represents the green line, and the time represents x-axis and the distance represents y-axis, and we want to know which car is moving faster after 5 minutes. Now we are going to draw a line after 5 minutes, and we're going to check which car, the distance of each car. The green car move 10 km and the red car move about 2.5 km. Then the green car is moving faster. We can conclude it from that the line which have greater slope or steepness will increase faster or grow faster. Now let's study the steepness of the line when the slope is negative. Let's start by drawing down the two linear equations y equal minus 0.5x, which represent the red line, and y equal minus 2x, which represent the green line. And as we said before in our previous lessons, when the slope is negative, then the line must be decreasing as shown in figure. Now the steepness of the line represents the angle between the line and x-axis, and it can be observed that as the absolute value of the negative slope increases, the angle between the line and x-axis will increase and the steepness will increase. For the problem in the test, always remember that the line which have greater absolute value of negative slope or steepness will decrease faster and decay faster. Let's take one last example, and it says Julia collects sales and trade bags, and she tracks the number of bags in her collection on the graph below. What interval did the number of figures increase the fastest? Here the problem is asking which line have the greatest slope, or which line has the greatest steepness. It gives us 4 choices. The first choice is between the first and the second months, and as we see from the graph, the line is decreasing, so we will cancel this answer. The second choice is between the third and 4 months. Also this line is decreasing, so we will cancel this answer. The third answer is between the second and the third month, and the fourth answer is between the fourth and the fifth month. It's clear from graph that the answer D is the line which has the greatest steepness, so it is the right answer. I hope this video helped you. See you in the next one.